I think probably one of the most challenging things for me that nobody told me in terms of running a dental practice was that I would have to talk about money to my patients. And that's something that they definitely do not teach you in school, because they're too busy trying to teach you how to be a good dentist and not slice up somebody's face, to be honest, right? You have a 40,000 RPM, high speed drill, and you have cheek, you have tongue, you have eyeballs, you have saliva, and that's what they can teach you in that amount of time. But it's definitely challenging if you get to know dentistry and healthcare, what it is in Canada, how people, because you go to the doctor and it's free, people think that you go to the dentist and it's free. Pavi? Yeah. Can I get an amen? So it's really hard to get people to want what they need. And that is something that is probably the biggest challenge with any dental practice owner, no matter what it is, unless you're in a location where you live in a rich community and money is not an issue and there has to be no compromise on your treatment and they will always get the best. You will always have to find a way to get these people treatment, because if not, their mouths will go to crap, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's for me probably the most challenging thing. And I've had to be able to confront that and talk to people about it, because a lot of the stigma is that as a practice owner, or as a dentist, or as a healthcare practitioner, you should never talk about money to your patients. And that's just not the reality. They trust what you're saying, so they want to hear it from your mouth, to be honest.